have to have a little bit of a little talk.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No.
Yes,
No.
we do, honey.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
I don't even want to talk. Not with that thing.
No, you have to.
Why?
Because I love you.
What's that got to do with that?
Everything.
No.
It's about Shed Wars.
What about Shed Wars?
Well.
Don't weld me.
Well, John and Robert have some questions about the Stiff Dave No Gardening Club, and they would like to set up a meeting to discuss that with you
Why?
because they have questions.
Talk to my president.
You haven't even asked your president yet if she'll be your president.
Oh,
Do you think maybe you should do that?
I thought you already did.
It's
You're the one that
not
started-
my club.
No, you're the one that started this organization.
No.
Yeah.
You're the one who said that you were starting a Stiff Dave No
I
Gardening
did not
Club.
say that.
You did. I have it on video.
Where?
It's on our channel.
No, I don't believe that.
You don't believe it? Okay, let's go watch it. I'll go find it for you.
I started my own thing. No gardening at all.
No gardening at all.
With Stiff Dave.
Robert had a video out today talking about the clubs, and he says something, I know it is up in the air about Dave leading a club. We may have to have someone else take it, but there may be something Dave wants to do with it, so he left it in his video.
No, I wouldn't do nothing.
What do you mean you don't want to do nothing?
No.
You said you wanted to have a Stiff
He's
Dave
going to have it
No Gardening Club.
Difflers or whatever club. They can have that.
Yeah, if they want that, they can have that.
They can have that. I mean, I ain't do no club. So
What about the Stiff Dave No Gardening Club?
that's all it is. You don't have to garden.
You don't have to garden.
You have to do nothing. Just sit around, drink coffee, tell lies. How's that?
Is that all you're going to do?
That's all we're going to do. No?
Maybe.
I didn't start this in the first place. You did.
What do you mean?
You did.
Did you not just hear that?
Oh, give me a break.
What do you mean, give you a break? You said it.
So what?
That's where people picked up on it.
Well, I can't help they don't have lives.
Well, they do have lives, and they
Evidently, they don't. They want to join Dave's Stiff Dave Club that don't do nothing.
That just doesn't do gardening. I mean,
Doesn't do anything. All we do is sit around, drink coffee, and tell lies, just like being at work. No?
Well, maybe that's the kind of club they're looking for.
Oh, okay.
It'd be the same without you at the lead.
I mean, I ain't leading nothing.
Okay, well, you could ask Trey if she wants to be the president and run things for you. But you have to ask her. You can't just expect her to do it.
Why not?
Because you're not her boss.
Well, I would be, kind of.
Yeah, but you're not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
I thought she wanted to do
Well,
it.
you gotta at least offer her the job.
I did in one of your other stupid videos.
My videos aren't stupid. No, you didn't. You just assumed she would do it, and you called her Trey Trey. Her name is Trey.
That's you guys been calling her all this time.
No, her sister's name is KK.
Oh, well, whatever.
I think you have them confused.
Well, whatever.
Trey is the DIY, and you want her to be part of your club because she's the builder, and you're the builder.
No, I just sit around, drink coffee, and tell lies. I don't build no more.
Well, I don't think Trey drinks coffee, so what incentive does she have to come and join your club and run everything?
I guess none.
She gets to hang out with you. That's pretty special.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So I'm not entirely sure where that leaves us with the Stiff Dave's No Gardening Club. I do know that it involves no gardening unless you want to. There are no rules, there are no goals, and I guess all you do in the club is sit around and drink coffee and tell lies. So that's the kind of club you want to join, you are certainly able to. You can just go to my channel and join up, and that would be fantastic. Dave, I'm sure, will be thrilled if somebody joins his club. Whether or not it's going to be involved with Shed Wars, well, that's still to be seen. We will meet with John and Robert and see what they have to say and see if Dave is interested. As you can see, he's not a super social person. And you'll see more of that coming up in a video soon. I've got a whole conversation between Dave and I that I'm just going to put up there unedited. You guys are going to laugh. I laughed. Anyway, thanks so much for coming and hanging out with us today. I really do appreciate every minute that you come and spend with us. And I'm so thankful that you're here. If you haven't, you should subscribe because we have a lot of fun around here. And it's always good for a laugh. So there's a reason all by itself that you should hook up with us. So I will hope to see you soon. Take care of yourself.